So good morning everyone. How are you all? Welcome back all of you in your class LKG. So kids, today is our maths class and today we are going to do the practice of revision worksheet of missing numbers. So as you all know, we have finished our missing number worksheets from 11 to 20. Okay, so today we will do the practice of missing numbers from 21 to 30. Okay, so I think you all have learned the counting. So let's start. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Okay, so kids, today we will do the practice of revision worksheet from 21 to 30. Okay, and along with that we're gonna perform one more activity fun worksheet. Okay, so let's start the worksheet work. So kids, this is our practice worksheet for missing numbers 21 to 30. Okay, so first of all look at the worksheet so that you all can prepare in your notebook. Okay, you can make only 5 columns. This is by mistake I have made 6 columns, that's why I colored here, so it is also looks nice. Okay, now I hope you all have seen the worksheet. Now let's start. So as you all know, first of all what we will do, we will write the counting from 21 to 30 in the side of the notebook, or I can write here also. Okay, so I will start 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 23 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I have erased the counting from here because ज़्यादातर ये मिस्टेक होती है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. मैथ्स नोटबुक में हम रेड लाइन के अंदर लिख देते हैं. जब आपको रिवर्स काउंटिंग वगैरह लिखना होता है तो हाउ यू विल राइट, यू आर राइटिंग लाइक दिस. So this is actually wrong. You are not supposed to write behind this red line. Okay, you should start for your work from here on, not from here. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay, so that's why I have erased from here, because you people will do mistakes next time. Okay, 29 and 30, 30. Okay, so I have written the counting, so it is easy for me to solve the missing numbers. Okay, so it is easy. We will start from 2 1 20 number 1. So which number is missing? 2 2, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Okay, and here also this number start from 21. तो फिर से आपको रिवीजन हो गया है ये 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. So many numbers are missing here. Now it's your exam, so you have to find out. तो आपने पहले ही रिवाइज कर लिया है. जब 2 का लाइन स्टार्ट होता है, so start from 2 1 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Okay, so as you can see in एक हर एक बॉक्स में मैंने काउंटिंग को बोल बोल के लिखा है. सी ओके, सो यू पीपल ऑल्सो हैव टू डू द सेम while writing this work. You have to speak and write. Okay, now let's move on to the fun worksheet. I think this worksheet you all are having in your notes, and those who are not having the notes, अगर आप नहीं भी कराते हैं तो इट्स ओके, क्योंकि इसको प्रिपेयर करना थोड़ा सा टफ होगा, बट इफ़ यू कैन सो कर लीजिए, इट्स ओके, नो इशू इज़ देयर. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दिस वर्कशीट, सर्कल द नंबर नेम्स टू हेल्प द हॉर्स टू रीच इट्स स्टेबल. ओके, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करेंगे, मैं वीडियो में ही करेक्शन करा रही हूँ. सर्कल द नंबर 9. ओके, सर्कल द नंबर 9, ये आप करेक्शन कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है. नेम्स नहीं है, सर्कल द नंबर 9. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर 9, सर्कल करना है इसको, सो दैट वी कैन रीच द स्टेबल. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अनदर कलर फॉर दैट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक brown color here. Okay, so let's start. This is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Let's find out what is the name of the horse house. Horse के घर का name क्या होते हैं? Stable. Yes, so what is the name of the horse house? Stable. So हम लोग we gonna reach 9, 9. Let the children do this activity by themselves. Let's find out the number 9. Okay, I have find out all the number 9s, and I have reached the horse house. Okay, stable. Okay kids, so what is the name of the horse house? Is stable. अब आपने यहाँ पर horse के घर का name भी learn कर लिया है. Horse house name is stable. Okay kids, so enjoy these worksheets. Bye bye. So kids, we have done the practice of revision worksheet, missing numbers, and along with that our fun worksheet to identify the number 9. So I hope you enjoy the worksheets. So kids, for today's class up to this much only. See you tomorrow with English worksheet. Okay kids, so be ready for that. Bye bye.